In today's link up, Fidelity pushes forward with a Solana ETF, Movement Network recovers millions, and BlackRock expands its Bitcoin ETPs into Europe. Plus, Immutable clears its SEC probe, CME teams up with Google Cloud for tokenization, and Binance cracks down on insider trading. I'm Sugar Cane. Let's break down today's stories. The cboe BZX exchange has submitted a request to the SEC to list Fidelity's proposed Solana ETF, a major move in expanding crypto ETF access. Analysts are optimistic about approval this year, especially with a shifting regulatory climate under the new administration. Grayscale and Bitwise are also in the ETF race with proposals for Litecoin, XRP, and Dogecoin. Recent Solana futures listings on the CME add further momentum. Next, a recovery effort with serious implications. The Movement Network Foundation has reclaimed $38 million from a market maker involved in irregular move token trades on Binance. Binance froze the market maker's proceeds, which will now be used for a 3-month token buyback. The buyback forms part of a new movement strategic reserve aimed at supporting liquidity. Binance has since cut ties with the firm, reinforcing fair market practices. Now to a major player making waves overseas. BlackRock has listed its first Bitcoin ETPs in Europe under the tickets IB1T and BTCN, available on Xterra, Euronext Amsterdam, and Paris. With a temporary fee waiver, these are among the cheapest crypto ETPs in Europe. The move underscores BlackRock's competitive approach and highlights the EU's more crypto-friendly regulatory stance compared to the US. I hope you're enjoying the video, so let us know by subscribing. Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below how you think the European BlackRock ETPs will affect the market. In regulatory news, the SEC has ended its investigation into Immutable, the company behind immutablex, with no violations found. The probe focused on past IMX token sales. Immutable received a formal termination letter and hopes this clarity will open doors for Web3 gaming. The firm sees this as a turning point for in-game token markets, estimated at over $100 billion. Looking ahead to 2026, CME Group and Google Cloud are joining forces to test asset tokenization through the Universal Ledger platform. The pilot, set to begin in 2026, aims to improve collateral and settlement systems, as well as support for 24/7 trading. With only $25 trillion in securities eligible for collateral out of a $230 trillion market, this partnership signals a shift towards more efficient, blockchain-based finance. And finally, serious action from Binance. Binance has suspended an employee accused of insider trading, reportedly using confidential info from a prior role to front-run a token event. Though the token wasn't named, speculation pointed to a meme coin UUU. Binance is cooperating with authorities and praised whistleblowers who exposed the misconduct. An internal investigation is ongoing. And that's our daily link up. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any updates. I'll catch you in the next one.